Welcome to the tutorial of the microprocessor-controlled Taro Pro digital volumetric bottle filling machine, designed for liquids of viscosities comparable to cooking oils, like wine, milk, water, juices, perfumes, etc. Taral is revolutionizing bottling for the medium and small-scale industries, offering unmatched milliliter level control, digitally, and eliminating the hassles of managing heavy and inaccurate manual pneumatic machines. Taral Pro is offered in 3 models: Mach 1, for low-volume fillings at low flow rates, Mach 2 for high-volume fillings at high flow rates, and Gravity, for compatibility with positive pressure sources like overhead tanks. I shall be your guide through this tutorial. On the left-hand side of your Taral Pro bottle filling machine, you would find the suction port where the suction tube would be attached. On the right-hand side of your Taral Pro bottle filling machine, you would find the delivery port and the clamp for mounting the SS304 nozzle. To use your Taral Pro machine, you need to first attach the suction hose to the suction port and firmly clamp it with the screw clamps provided. Remember, for best and consistent performance, the suction hose must be firmly clamped to the suction port to avoid any air from getting sucked in, which can, and will, affect the accuracy of the filled volume. Next, you have to attach the outlet hose to the outlet port. Again, remember to firmly clamp it with the screw clamp provided to prevent any air leakage, which could, and would, cause water leakage, and cause filling accuracy issues if left unchecked. After the outlet hose has been firmly clamped to the outlet port, you need to install the nozzle of your Taral Pro bottle filling machine. To do that, you have been provided with an Allen key to loosen or tighten the body clamp. Insert the inverted U nozzle into the body clamp at a suitable height, and then firmly attach the loose end of the output hose to the nozzle rear end. Next, once the suction hose has been properly inserted into the reservoir of the fluid to be filled, you may power up your bottle filling machine. Connect the power cable and switch on the power. The switch is located at the bottom left side of the front panel. Wait for the screen to light up and the initial starting message to pass to initiate your volume setting. Make sure the suction hose is not connected to a positive pressure source like an overhead tank and is inserted directly into the reservoir. For positive pressure source compatibility, check our model Taral Gravity. Next, you need to know how to input the volume to be filled and how to lock the volume figures you have input. To start recording the volume to be filled, press star key. After the star key has been pressed, a new screen would prompt you to enter the volume to be filled. Remember, this machine records volumes in milliliters. So say you wish to fill 1 liter of a particular liquid. Enter the value 1000 milliliters onto the screen through the keypad. Any 4-digit entry shall be auto-locked, and any entry lesser than 4 digits shall require the pressing of the hash key to lock it. Priming is the first step to starting a filling process with your Taral Pro bottle filling machine. Priming cleans fluid flow line of any contaminants, and most importantly, air, which could cause calibration issues. Set the set volume to a known level, say 1000 milliliters. Press the pedal switch, and let the fluid pass until no air bubbles can be seen in the delivery hose. The setup is now complete. Experience now the versatility, the adaptability, the unmatched accuracy, and the great measuring range of our Taral Pro digital volumetric bottle filling machine. Taral Pro is available through major e-commerce websites, and also through direct orders. For custom builds, contact us today.